The person who was once blind, the minute that person can start seeing again, the first thing that he gets rid of is the stick that was helping him till he was blind. I read this somewhere and it hit me that most often we all think that we are the sticks that are discarded. That means we get really impacted when we think that people have been using us. I am a nutrition and diet consultant, and that's what this channel is about. Why am I speaking about something that is not even my subject? One, because maybe I have been a victim to this too many times. Two, I want you to understand that mental health is extremely important. So, if I write a diet for you for your physical health, but if you're not in that mental capacity to plan, to buy, to tell your cook what to do, for whatever reason, you're not going to be able to succeed at the diet plan. And three, smart people learn from their mistakes, smarter people learn from the mistakes of others. So I want you to learn from whatever little I want to share today. This is specifically for a lot of patients who are now my friends and have shared this with me so many times. You know, that I did this for my friend, I did this for my sister, my brother, my in-laws, my friend's mother, my friend's father, sister, this, that, whatever. But they discarded me. And I always used to think like that about myself also. I have always played a role in people's lives where I have been there next to them when they have needed me at their lowest points. And today, they possibly live very happy, glorious lives and don't even say hello to me. And it used to be that self-pity zone. Until I realized few years ago, I'm 43 years old now. I probably learned this maybe a year or two ago. I realized that my role is not to expect that they are going to be nice to me. My role is to truly help and assist people, and that's about it. The minute I start expecting, that means that my help is not unconditional, it becomes transactional. But it shouldn't be like that. So do whatever you have to and step away. If people are meant to be in your life, then they'll be in your life, and if they are not meant to be in your life, they are still speaking ill about you, irrespective of whatever it is that you have done for them. The world is small, things travel, so you must be hearing things and whatever it is. For your mental health, rise above this, do good, step away, do good wherever you get a chance. Whoever you can help, help them. But don't expect anything from anyone in return, because expectation is the root cause of unhappiness. So, to all the patients who have been going through this, please understand that everybody is born for a particular purpose. You do your role and move away. That is the only way in which you can maintain your sanity. And what happened in my case was, it took me such a long time to actually cut cords with people, and I feel so free today because there are no expectations that I have from anyone. And that is how it should be. So whatever is given to you is a bonus. So my gyan is over, but I just wanted to share this because I do hope that whoever listens to this till the end, and if it strikes a chord, it will help you feel better. And if you're happy here, everything else gets better also. I love you all.